Connect is a group of community platforms across Wales that are free for anyone to sign up and search for activities happening nearby. They're ultra-local and community-focused. This makes it easier to promote community groups, local initiatives, and to advertise upcoming events. Groups can have an online presence and share their information without needing to pay for their own website. If you use Connect properly, your profile will rank very highly on Google. It's free, so why not give it a try? To get the most out of your time on the Connect platform, we recommend that you complete your profile. Sign in and head to your dashboard. From here, we can edit our profile. We want to make sure we're using the full name of the organisation, not our own name, and we're going to tick the box that describes the profile as an organisation, not an individual. When you add a description, try to add as much information as possible. Remember that using all capitals is not accessible for many people. Instead, you can use headings and bullet points to display your information in different ways. When you add your profile picture, try to make the logo for your organisation clear and not blurry. You may have a photo of your group you could add here. If it looks blurry when you save, you'll need to find a higher quality image. If your organisation has a video, find the link on YouTube or Vimeo and click Share. Copy this embed code to the box here. Adding links to any other online presence helps to make you rank higher on search engines. If you're using your organisation's public email account, you'll probably want to click to allow users to email you directly. We're now going to add tags to our profile to help make us searchable on the directory. Users choose these tags to match their needs and interests, so you won't come up unless you've tagged yourself. Now, we can look at our new profile. It says we don't have any badges or any live activities. Badges help users find trusted organisations. You can find the badges on your Connect platform by clicking this link and choosing which to apply for. To add activities to your organisation's account, you can click these buttons on your profile, or you can click this button in your dashboard, or you can click this button in the menu called Your Account. In the title, try to describe your activity in one sentence. Think of the words someone might type in to find your activity. Search engines like Google cannot search an image. If you upload a poster and nothing else, you will not have a successful activity. Users with accessibility requirements cannot adapt how a poster displays, but they can change the size, colour or format of the text you put in the description box. When you're happy with the title and description, upload your image. Try to pick something inviting here. Remember, this is an advert for your services or event. A logo isn't as inviting as a photo of what the event is about. Follow the instructions on the next page to add more information. Adding an expiry date is important to make sure that your event from 2019 isn't still around in 2030. Add the tags for the activity in the same way you edited your profile. You can also add hidden search words if you didn't manage to get them into the description box. Click Submit and your activity will be sent for an admin to check and make live. You can edit and manage all of your activity within the dashboard here. Try to build your profile on Connect with several activities, a badge or two, and some connections with other organisations. Hopefully, you'll discover that you appear very highly on search engines like Google, even ahead of your Facebook page. Good luck, and remember, the Connect admins are always more than happy to help you.